how to download and install Roblox on your PC or a laptop in just few minutes. We will use two simple methods. Whether you are new to Roblox or switching from mobile, I have got you covered. Before proceeding, please make sure liking and subscribing ITPK. Let's start with method 1. Go to roblox.com and enter quick sign up information. Enter your date of birth, create a username and password, choose your gender, and then simply go ahead and click on sign up. It's completely free, super, and quick. After signing up, you will see a message to finish account setup. Just click on it, head to your email inbox, and verify your email by clicking the link Roblox sent you. And that's it, your account is now fully verified. On home screen, please go ahead and select the game you like to download. I want to select the first game, that is Grows Offline. Let's go ahead and select this. Now we got the play button here. We have to click on this play button and we will see Roblox is now loading. Get ready. Now this will simply give us download Roblox to play million of experiences. So I don't have Roblox. Let's go ahead and download Roblox quickly on my computer. Okay. Once Roblox is downloaded, we are ready to install it. It's installed. Let's quickly sign in with the email I already used. Okay, so here we go. And I got the game that I was downloaded. If you want to play that game into Roblox, you could just simply go ahead to the web again, click on this play button. This will ask you to open the game into Roblox that we just have downloaded. So let's open the game client. So here I got the game that was downloaded and installed on my Windows 11 PC. Now let's quickly go ahead and see the second method. In the start menu, we have to type Microsoft Store. Let's go ahead and open Microsoft Store in my Windows 11. Please note that this will also work on Windows 10. Here I want to search for Roblox and I got Roblox at the top and open Roblox and I'm ready to get it and install on my computer. Okay, so this was the second method to install Roblox using Microsoft Store. Only just make sure you are logged in with your email into Microsoft Store. That's how you download and install Roblox using two easy method on your PC or a laptop. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to ITPK and comment your favorite Roblox game. Turn on the bell so you don't miss any update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.